Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to share a few eco-friendly and toxic-free options that I have changed out in our home, and this maybe will inspire you to do some changes in your home as well. We are just your typical family, and we are by no means zero waste or probably even considered low waste, but I'm trying to switch things out. Number one, so our home has less toxins, and number two, so we can try to be more eco-friendly. A quick disclaimer, this is not sponsored in any way. This is just some products that I have come across through my own research, and I will link everything in the description box below. So to start, I went to Bar Shampoo and Conditioner, and I really like this brand. It's called Ethique, and they have shampoo, conditioner, they even have body wash, they have all kinds of stuff, and I will link their website below. And these products are really amazing. I was kind of worried with bar shampoo that either it wouldn't suds up like normal shampoo or my hair wouldn't feel clean. And I had all of these fears, I guess, and then I thought I'm just gonna try it, and I really like it. I've tried the Pinkalicious shampoo, and I've also tried this Damage Control shampoo for normal dry hair. I actually like the Pinkalicious better for my hair type. Obviously you'd have to try it out for yourself and see what works for you. And then the conditioner also works really well, and this is just the Guardian. What makes this more eco-friendly is I'm not buying one of those big giant plastic bottles, and it says on the package, give up the bottle. Bottles saved with this purchase 5 bottles of conditioner with just this one bar, and this is true. I only use it on my hair, and I wash my hair every other day. This has lasted me 6 months so far. This is a product that is made in New Zealand, and I just order it online, and you can order more at once to save on the cost of shipping and all that kind of thing, but I will link it down below. Back when I did my kitchen tour video, which I can link below, I asked all of you guys what would be a good way to switch out from plastic dishes for the kids to a safe option that is eco-friendly, and most of you suggested Corelle dishes. I have one here, and so far so good. These dishes are amazing. They're easy to clean. I decided to switch all of our dishes to this because really we had a bunch of mix match stuff, and these are great so far. In all the time we've used them, I think it's been at least 6 months or more. We've only broke one bowl so far, and that was dropped from this height to the ground, and it shattered. So do be aware that this stuff does shatter when it hits the floor, but it was easy to clean up, and we use these dishes very roughly. The kids toss them into the sink a lot of the time and have not chipped or broke in any way. So this is working perfect for us, and I have to thank you guys for this suggestion. Another thing my husband and I have both switched is to bar body soap, and that was such an easy, quick fix. We don't use any particular type of bar soap, but instead of buying those big bottles of plastic bottles of Axe body wash or just any kind of big plastic bottle, the soap bar, it lasts so much longer, it's cheaper, and it's more eco-friendly because you aren't going through one of those big plastic bottles. And I usually find something that is wrapped in paper, and it's just such a simple switch to make. Another thing I've swapped out is my deodorant, and this is to be less toxic. Obviously it's in a plastic container still, but this is Schmidt's Lavender and Sage. I really like this. My mom tried it. She thought it was too rough for her sensitive skin, so you gotta try what will work for you, figure out what will work. But this I really like, and it has no aluminum and no artificial fragrance, so it's just a little bit less toxic than the stuff I was using before. Whenever I try to find sponges, I'm trying to go with a greener option, and I found quite a few. The only drawback of these type of sponges is they tend to fall apart a lot quicker. So I haven't found the perfect one, but I have tried quite a few, and that's just another switch that I've made from a regular sponge to a more eco-friendly option. Scotch-Brite, greener, cleaner, and it's wrapped in plastic when you buy it, but I've tried this one, and then I've also tried the Grove Collaborative sponges, and I like both of them, but again, they just kind of deteriorate a lot quicker because they're made out of more natural products. And lastly, the biggest change that I've made is all of my cleaning products. I've gone to Grove Collaborative concentrates, and I can show you the little bottles here. You open it and you pour it into this glass spray bottle, and then you add the water and you do like a little shake like that. These work really well. I was surprised, and I know I could make my own products, but to be honest, it's about the same cost to buy this than it is to make my own, because by the time you buy all the oils you need, all the products you need, you still have to get the glass bottle. And these concentrates are not very expensive, and it says please recycle, and when they send it to you, it's carbon offset, and it's just such a nice product, and I really, really like it. I have a link below if you do want to try it out. It will give you, I think when you first sign up and buy something, it gives you a 5-piece free set with your order. And for the first time you set up, I think the first 60 days, it's the VIP free shipping. So just look into it. The link is down below, like I said. But I absolutely love these products. They smell so good. They really do keep your house nice and clean, and just the smell is amazing. So that's worth it for me. If you go to the Grove Collaborative website to check it out, they have tons of products. I ordered these wool dryer balls, and I'm not new to using dryer balls. I used to use these plastic ones, and what I didn't like about them is they would get all caught up in your laundry because they were kind of, this plastic was sticky. Anyways, they worked okay, but I like these dryer balls. They really get the job done, and then you don't have to use the throwaway dryer sheets. So they help with static and that kind of thing, and they keep your clothes nice and fresh. So this is another thing that I've switched out. And again, you can find that in the link below on their website. I know this video is a little bit different from what I normally do, but I hope you enjoyed it. These are just a few things that I've changed out in our home, and I'm really enjoying these changes. Click here to see our decluttering playlist if you would like to be inspired by some decluttering videos. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button below to join my channel. Tap the bell to never miss a video too, and I'll see you next time. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.